speaking is not just about words. Recently, I was having an interaction with one of my clients and I asked him, so tell me, what is the first thing you need to learn as a public speaker? So he tells me that I will learn some phrases. So as a speaker, don't assume that, whatever you say, the audience will understand, okay? And make sure you don't use any phrases, any jargons, because see, take it as a conversation, take it as, like normally we interact with common people, we talk to common people, we meet common people. So we have to use common English, we have to use simple English, simple language. Don't use words which people will not understand, because what you say is least important, how you say it is more important, right? So they are not looking for you to use jargons or use very fancy words. So instead of using fancy words, you create an experience, you should sound interesting, you should create an experience. How to create an experience, how to do it? So go through the 10 video series of how to start a speech. Stay tuned for the next video.